Looking for reliable, high-power performance on the go? Best 3000-watt inverter options deliver robust energy conversion for RVs, boats, and off-grid setups. These inverters ensure steady, safe electricity, powering your essential appliances and devices wherever adventure takes you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BELTTT 3000-watt inverter. The BELTTT 3000-watt inverter is built for users who demand stable, grid-quality power wherever they are. As a pure sine wave model, it replicates household AC electricity, so televisions, stereos, laptops, and other sensitive electronics run smoothly without buzzing or extra heat. This clean output also extends the life of appliances and reduces the chance of malfunctions compared with modified sine wave units. Offering 3,000 watts of continuous power and up to 6,000 watts of peak surge at startup, it can handle heavy-duty appliances, from refrigerators to power tools. Its conversion efficiency exceeds 91%, with low no-load loss, ensuring more of your battery's energy becomes usable electricity instead of wasted heat. An intelligent, high-brightness LCD screen displays input and output voltages, battery status, and load conditions in real time, giving you instant feedback and simplifying troubleshooting. You can even fine-tune output voltage and screen settings within a small range for added control. Multiple layers of protection, undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, overheating, short circuit, and reverse connection add safety and reliability, while the rugged aluminum and plastic housing resists wear and aids heat dissipation.
Number 2. Renogy 30,000-watt inverter. Renogy's 30,000-watt inverter is a powerful DC to AC converter that transforms 12-volt battery power into clean 110, 120-volt pure sine wave electricity. It supplies 3,000 watts continuously and up to 6,000 watts surge at startup, with a conversion efficiency greater than 90% to minimize energy loss. This grid-quality output safeguards electronics such as TVs, laptops, tablets, refrigerators, and LED lights, letting them run cooler, quieter, and longer. Multiple built-in safety protections, undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, overheating, and short-circuit indicators work alongside cooling fans and ground fault circuit interrupter (GFCI) technology for an extra layer of security. The inverter also features a handy built-in USB port, 3 AC outlets, and an AC terminal block for wiring flexibility. A 16.4-foot wired remote allows convenient on-off control from a distance, perfect for RV installations or off-grid systems where the inverter is mounted out of reach. UL 458 and CSA C22.2 certifications confirm its quality and safety standards, while its durable metal housing withstands bumps and vibration. Quiet operation, high inductive load handling, and thoughtful features make the Renogy 30,000-watt inverter a versatile, dependable choice for anyone needing reliable AC power on the road, at a work site, or during a power outage.
Number 3. Powerdrive 30,000-watt inverter. Powerdrive's 30,000-watt inverter stands out for blending high output with modern smart features tailored to today's connected lifestyles. Converting your vehicle's 12-volt DC battery power into household 110-volt AC electricity, it supplies a steady 3,000 watts of continuous power for appliances, tools, or entertainment systems on the move. 4 3-prong AC outlets let you run multiple devices simultaneously, while 2 protected USB ports, a standard 2.4A and a fast-charging USB-C 3.0A, quickly top up smartphones, tablets, and other portable electronics. A bright digital display keeps you informed about battery voltage, wattage draw, and error codes at a glance, helping you avoid overloads and monitor your system in real time. Heavy-duty 39-inch cables and included mounting brackets make installation straightforward in trucks, RVs, or off-grid cabins. Where Powerdrive really differentiates itself is in connectivity.
Built-in Bluetooth allows you to pair the inverter with your smartphone using the free Powerdrive Plus app, enabling remote monitoring and control of key features and settings. This is especially helpful when the inverter is installed in a hard-to-reach location. Robust internal circuitry offers built-in protection against short circuit, overheating, and overload, while the sturdy construction is designed to handle bumps and vibration during travel. Number 4. VOLTWORKS 30,000 Watt Inverter. The VOLTWORKS 30,000 Watt inverter is a high-performance pure sine wave model aimed at users who want clean, dependable electricity for a wide range of household and mobile applications. Producing 3,000 watts of continuous power from 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC, it can comfortably run refrigerators, microwaves, gaming consoles, cameras, TVs, and phones with grid-quality AC. 2 AC outlets, 1 AC hardwire terminal, and a 2.4A USB port give you multiple options for connecting appliances and charging devices. Because it generates a true sine wave output, your electronics operate cooler and quieter without interference or reduced lifespan. A 30-foot remote controller adds significant convenience, letting you switch the inverter on and off and monitor battery status from across your RV, cabin, or workshop, helpful for preventing battery damage from frequent low power. Safety protections are extensive, covering short circuit, input over voltage or under voltage, output overload, overcurrent, and over temperature conditions. The rugged aluminum housing resists bumps, drops, and corrosion while helping dissipate heat. An intelligent cooling fan engages only when internal temperatures exceed 104 degrees Fahrenheit or the load surpasses 1400 watts, conserving battery power during lighter use. Number 5. TVNIKD 30,000 Watt Inverter. TVNIKD offers a powerful step up from standard 30,000 watt models with its 3,500 watt, 7,000 watt peak modified sine wave inverter, providing extra headroom for running larger appliances and tools. Converting 12-volt DC battery power into 110-volt AC electricity, it features 4 AC outlets and 2 USB ports to handle everything from refrigerators and microwaves to fans, washing machines, and laptops simultaneously. 3 smart cooling fans adjust speed based on temperature or output power, running only when necessary to maintain silent operation most of the time. Built-in 8x48 fuses safeguard against short-circuit currents, while a dedicated grounding wire enhances user safety by preventing electric shock in case of failure. Stable charging technology shields connected devices from overheating, undervoltage, overvoltage, overload, and overcharging, giving you confidence when powering sensitive electronics or high-draw appliances. The combination of extra power capacity, robust protection features, and efficient cooling makes this inverter versatile enough for both everyday use and emergency scenarios. Whether you're powering an RV full of appliances during a road trip, running tools at a remote job site, or keeping critical devices on during a blackout, the TVNIKD 3500 watt inverter delivers a potent mix of performance, safety, and convenience, making it a standout choice for users who need more than the typical 30,000 watt unit can provide. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.